Nyararia muthako wa ngundi Fatuma Zarika uria noe munyiteri wa mucibi wa Super Bantamweight ni athimirwo uritu umuthi hamwe na mung'ethaniri wake Catherine Phiri kuma bururi-ini wa Zambia.
Everything is going to be okay for tomorrow. So we don't have to talk too much. Let's go and do it in the ring.
Mbitika ino igathako nyumba-ini ya KICC muthenya wa rucio mathaa-ini ma thaa 3 utuku kuria Zarika agakorwo agitetera mucibi uyu kwa rita ria gatatu guku riri rita ria kere gucemania na Phiri.
Like you said, we'll talk tomorrow more. Today there's nothing much to say. We'll talk more in the ring tomorrow.
Mbitika ici yacirugamiriirwo ni kambuni ya uigithia ya SportPesa iguciriirie athaki a kuma mabũrũri matiganite hari hamwe na Tanzania na Argentina. Nakio kirabu kia muthako wa Gonya Mwamba FC nikiongereire kandarathi na bengi ya Stanbic gwa kahinda ga miaka 3 thiini wa igongona ria kwandikithia kandarathi riria rigukinyitio ni president wa kirabu kia Mwamba John Mbai na murugamiri wa munene wa bengi iyo Charles Mundia.
We've doubled our sponsorship this year from 3 million to 6 million shillings, and we see that as a growing relationship, and we have signed up for the next 3 years.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni Ndara Gateri.